Hello guys, welcome to the new Specs War video. In this video, we are going to compare two brand new models of Toyota. These are Toyota Veloz and Toyota Rush and both are SUVs. We will compare technically to find our best SUV. So let's start it without wasting our time. Both Toyota Veloz and Toyota Rush have same engine specifications like 1.5 liters 4 cylinders with the horsepower of 104 and the torque of 138 Newton meters. It comes with automatic transmission CVT and all the variants come with front wheels drive. Because of same engine specifications, no any car will get the point. Both Toyota Veloz and Rush come with the seating capacity of 7 persons. Toyota Veloz and Toyota Rush have boot space of 498 liters and 535 liters. Veloz has curb weight of 1185 kg and Rush has curb weight of 1305 kg. Both of them have fuel tank capacity of 42 liters and 45 liters. Because of higher cargo volume and fuel tank capacity, the point goes to Toyota Rush. The fuel efficiency of Toyota Veloz is 19.3 km per liter and Toyota Rush come with the fuel efficiency of 11 km per liter. Because of high fuel efficiency, the point goes to Toyota Veloz. Toyota Veloz comes with the length of 4475 mm, width of 1775 mm and the height of 1770 mm. It has ground clearance of 205 mm with a wheelbase of 2750 mm. On the other side, Toyota Rush has overall length of 4435 mm, width of 1695 mm and the height of 1705 mm. It has ground clearance of 220 mm with a wheelbase of 2685 mm. Both of them have 17 inches alloy wheels and have spare tire in them. We can see that the size of Veloz is little bigger than Rush, so the point goes to Toyota Veloz. Both these cars have almost same safety features like vehicle stability control, hill start assist, traction control, ISOFIX, child lock system, seat belt reminder. Both of them come with 6 safety airbags. Toyota Veloz comes with the price of $35,900 US. On the other hand, Toyota Rush comes with the price of $28,900 US. We can see from the comparison that Toyota Veloz is with 2 points and Toyota Rush is with 1 point. Because of higher number of points, the crown of this Specs War goes to 2025 Toyota Veloz.